What's up guys, it's the Gaming DJ, and today we're going to be learning how to ride a dirt bike. Let's ride my RMZ 250, and before you even start, you need to have a couple things. First off, you need to have boots so you don't break your ankle. You need to have a good helmet and good goggles. Gloves are also pretty good, and you definitely want to have pants so you don't burn your leg on the engine. So, now that we got that out of the way, make sure you have all your gear on. And first off, what you want to do is learn controls. So, on this side we have the Kickstarter, right? We have the back brake, the front brake, and on this side, the main controls are the clutch. Over here, if you come down here, we have the shifter, the choke, and the gas lever. So, once you get on your bike, right, make sure you have gas. So you put the gas in here, you unscrew this, right? You want to turn the gas on here, which it already is. Then you want to pull this out till it clicks. But now see, you only want to do this when you first start it. If it's already warm, you don't need to do this. Then you want to have your bike in neutral, which is, I'll put a diagram on the screen. It's first, neutral, second, and up. So, and how to know if it's in neutral is you don't have the clutch pulled in and it rolls perfectly. Now if it's in first, it'll go like this. You can't move it. But if it's in neutral, you can move it. Bike's a little hard to put into neutral, so. But anyway, that's how you know if it's in neutral, if you don't have a light. So, now, if you come over here, after you turn the gas on, pull the choke out, you want to come over here to the kickstart, right? Put your foot on. Now the easiest way to start it is to go down first, lightly, right? And then you bring it up, and then, there you go guys, it started. So, now, here's how you drive it, right? So, after it's warmed up, right, pull in the clutch, press down, it's in first gear. Now what you want to do is, once you're in that, you want to pull on the throttle and let out the clutch at the same time. So it should look like this. Pull the throttle and let out the clutch. Like that. At the same time. You want to have a good, and it might take a little practice. You might stall a few times, but that's alright. Just want to, just like that. Alright, now you could start the bike in gear, hold in the clutch, and you do the same thing. And also, after you're done warming it up, you want to put the choke off. You don't want that on when you're riding. Some bikes, it's easier to start in neutral. So, just like this. And there you go, that's how you do. So that is how you drive the dirt bike. That's how you start going. So that's the first part, and stay tuned for part 2. Where I'll be showing you how to shift and how to basically be better. I'll see you guys next time.